So you rolled up to the gas station, you pulled your gas cap release, and nothing happens. Well, I'm going to tell you how to fix it really easily coming up next. Welcome back to the Steelhead Station. Once again, I appreciate everyone who gives a like, a comment, anything. It helps me and this channel move on and continue to grow. The biggest little channel around. Not really, but you know the YouTube cliches. But anyways, so you can't get this open. Doesn't matter what kind of car you have. I'm going to show you how you do it and what's wrong. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to get something. Here in this case, we got a pop can. You're going to pull your release all the way up as high as it will go. Shove something under there and to hold it up. And then you're going to come back over here and if you can pry it with your fingers, you can get it open. But in this case, we're going to use one old crappy gas card, and we're going to get that open. Alright, so the reason you can't get this or get it open is because there's a little, at least on my car, there's a little plastic piece that it will stick out and kind of keep the door from opening. And when you pull the lever inside, it pulls it back this way. But right now, see, just use your car like you're breaking into something. You can see there the little plastic piece is actuated and it's fully in. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to release this. Drops back down. And you see it's out. Now the reason that you have this problem, and I've had this problem before, is there's supposed to be a little spring on here. And sometimes this little spring just needs to be pushed back on, or this part right here is not on all the way. And so that is when you pull the handle, this comes in, that spring should go like this and it should pop the door. That's how it pops. So remember, remember the steps now. First step, take your gas hatch lever, prop it all the way open so this goes all the way in. Then take your crappy card you have in your wallet, pretend you're doing a B&E, just slip it in there and it should pop free. And now what we have to do here is we have to pop this part off because, like I said, the spring actually broke this time off of it. This happened to me once before. I went and bought the part, found out the spring had just come loose a little bit. So I just pushed it back in there. I still have the part. But what you have to do is you have to get this little latch right here, where my finger is, that little piece right there, pop it up, then pull the whole thing out, take the new one, opposite direction, put it in here, put it down there, and then you're good to go. So I'm going to try and do that right now. So now I've got just something. I'm going to try and pry this out of there, which it might be kind of hard to do one-handed, but let's see. And it's pretty dark in here right now. Should open the garage door, but the star of every Steelhead Station show, the skipper key, is outside, and I don't want her to get out of the house. Well, I'm going to try it, but you can see what I'm trying to do here. I'm going to get something better and get this pried out. So the easiest thing I did was I tried a screwdriver, a pick, neither would come. So basically just get your needle nose, grab a hold of this little part here, bend towards it so it kind of release, and then pull out, and you can see it popped out. And then it just comes off like that, and you pop the new one on. So you can see here the difference between the two. This is the old one. This is the new one. It should still work. And it's just going to pop this end in. And you can see here's the spring from that keeps the door open when you pull that latch. So let's try. So as you can see, I finally got it on here. But this one was supposed to be a universal one, but it had little clips or little parts that came down to here and up here, which wouldn't fit into there. So I just took a little handsaw and just sawed just a little bit off of the top there, pushed this end in, pushed it forward, it clicked. Now you can see it's stuck right here, it's on there. It should be good now for the rest, the lifetime of this car. And that's all there is to it. Now let's shut it, see if it works. Pulling the latch, and she's open. It's on there, it's working. Hey, call it good. It's all good. Everybody, thanks for watching. And we're fixed. Appreciate everyone. Watch the Steelhead Station. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.